Hey guys, 828 Fine Adventure. I've got a new seat cover for the back seat of the 6th gen 4Runner. And you know, you can get all kinds of seat covers. There's the singles, like this one right here, and it's just basically goes over the headrest, fits any car seat. It's just like a piece of cloth. This one's made by Seat Shield. It's waterproof, sweat proof, everything. You just throw it in the wash with your clothes. I've used these for like 2 decades at least. Got multiples of these. A lot of the cheaper ones are this neoprene, and I've been pretty lucky getting these so they haven't smelled real bad. I have some full seat covers on the Tacoma and they still stink. I've had them for a year and they're complete seat covers and they fit great, but man, they smell, especially in the heat. When it gets like in the 90s and sunny in the summer, man, that chemical smell comes off of them. It's going away, but it's still at about, I got 40%, I'm down to about 40% stink, chemical smell from that. These don't, but basically these slips over the headrest and goes over your seat. And they're great for, you know, if you work out and stuff. The cloth ones, you know, it's going to be your preference. I do like the red. These cloth ones, you know, are real easy to use. You just throw it over it, sit, keeps the sand, whatever, off of it. But for the back seat, you can use these individual ones as long as you have a headrest, but the problem is if you have a dog, you can't have individual ones because it'll still get in between and down in the cracks. And you know how dogs are, animals. They're all over. So they do sell a rear seat cover. I picked this up on Amazon. This is for, you know, it says for dogs, but it could be for anything. It could be just to keep your seats clean. You know, if you got kids. But this is full coverage over the back. So this one here, first time I'm opening it. I mean, it's pretty heavy duty. This is like a thick Cordura stuff on one side. I think that's what they call it. They used to make backpacks and stuff out of this and bags and all kinds of stuff, like for bike bags and stuff. The other side is a nylon like this. Look at all this crap. The other side is like a nylon. Pet hair won't stick to this. It's the same stuff they use to make poncho liners in the military, which I have multiples of. I use them, lay them on the bed, keeps cat hair from sticking to the bed, dog hair, whatever. It just keeps it off because the hair won't stick to that nylon. It's awesome for that. Remember that, poncho liners. I have multiples of them. So anyway, so what we got here is we have this big cover. Now, I'm trying to figure out here which way this goes. It appears that it goes like that. What do you think? That's the way it goes. It goes the nylon side down, which, you know, I would have made this nylon side up, but that's just to keep the hair off. I'm not sure with this Cordura if hair will stick to it. It probably won't. It doesn't seem to have anything that'll do that. So let's get this and try to put it in. Let's see how it goes. Okay, let's see how this goes. So basically, it's got these straps at the top. They go over your headrest. It has this long piece that hangs down like a frame over the front of your seat. And I see these orange pulls on the bottom. You stick those through your seat, through the crease in the seat. So let me get the other side all straightened out. Now in the 4Runner seats, it does not have a place for you to stick those poles. So they'll just have to sit there. But that's fine. I mean, this is a nice seat cover. This is sewn really well. So like I said, those orange poles on the bottom, because this is a 4Runner, there isn't the seat cover on the factory seat is all one piece. So there's no place for that to go. If it was two pieces, you just shove that orange pole right down in between. So there you go, look at that. It's waterproof, claw proof, everything. I mean, now we'll tell you, it appears there is seatbelt access. Let me show you that. Okay, so as you can see here, this piece goes all the way around the front. The orange poles cannot go in the seats of the 4Runner. They might work in the Tacoma, but not in the 4Runner. It also has access points with thick Velcro to get to your seat belts. If you want to leave this in permanent and you want to have a passenger back here, or if it's for the muddy kids after soccer practice or whatever, dirt bike riding or whatever. But if you look at this, it is really, this is what I would call probably the more heavy duty of the ones I've seen. And I mean, this is nice. It's got this here, this keeps your muddy feet from kicking back, and you know. And this here is a Cordura nylon, so you could basically pull this out and hose it off. Say your dog got some residue on it or mud or whatever, you just take it out and hose it, hang it up. This one's by 4K9s for canines. Just got it off Amazon, and you know, so it's good. Look at that. Scoot back here. Let me show you from the other side. Yeah, great coverage. This is just great. Just hooks around your headrest. That was easy. And there you go. Now, if you have a dog that likes to get up on these doors, right here you can buy covers for the doors. I would definitely do that if I had a dog that is all over the place and trying to stick his head out the window. I would get door coverings. This is soft here, so this would tear up. All this plastic would get scratched from their nails. So I look at that, you know, being a new vehicle, I just wouldn't be able to stomach, you know, my pet scratching up everything. I'd have to protect it all. So do that first. You know, preserve the resale value of these 4Runners, because they sure do hold on to it. But this is what I got today. I wanted to show you. These covers and the other covers I have. Let me show you those. So there's my back seat cover for the 4Runner. I'll also put links under the video in the description to these covers right here. This is just a simple one. It comes in black also, and maybe some other color, beige or something. I mean, these work great. I mean, they cover the entire seat. They're kind of floppy or whatever, but you know, you're just looking at something when you go to the beach or go swimming or whatever, or get back from the gym and you're trying to preserve your material. Because I will tell you, sweaty people getting in and out of your car soaking with sweat, and that includes you, will rot the seats in your vehicle. It'll rot it. The leather, the synthetic, the cloth, it'll rot it. So don't do that. Protect them. You know, these are depreciating items. You want to preserve any of that value. So, and like I said, there's this type, and there's also the neoprene style, you know, and it just depends on what you like. You know, I'm always hesitant on these, even though I've got a few of them and have been lucky. They don't smell. You know, this one's by, I don't know, it says FH Group. I don't know if that's the name. These are all from Amazon. I'll put links under the video in the description if you want to check them out. Definitely get some protection for your seats. When you're done with these, you can throw them in the back, not worry about them. You can use them for anything, sitting on a park bench, whatever, take them to a ball game, whatever you want to do. They're good for everything. So yeah, that's what I got. If you would, like, share, and subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. I've got more videos coming. This is just a little quick one I wanted to share with you. I've had this for a while, and plan on using it. So I will see you next time. See ya.